Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on LinkedIn. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into linkedin.com. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and go to linkedin.com. You will be taken to the home page. Here, tap Sign In. You can log into your LinkedIn account using your email address, your Google account, or your Apple ID. In this video, we will be using the email method. So, enter your email address or phone number and enter your password. If you forget your password, tap Forgot Password to reset it. When done, tap Sign In. You can also add your phone number for additional security or skip this step. And that's how you log in to linkedin.com. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.